Battery backup LED light bulbs use up to 90% less energy than a standard incandescent bulb and generate less heat. They also come in handy when you need them the most, during a power outage. By charging up while power is flowing, they use a backup battery to stay on even when there's no electricity. Replace the bulbs in your household light fixtures with these battery backup LEDs to keep the lights on while stacking up the savings. Installation is easy. Before getting started, identify the bulb that you plan to replace with your new LED bulb. Turn off the light and allow your old bulb to cool prior to removal. Carefully remove the old light bulb that you plan to replace and dispose of it properly. Now you're ready to install your new LED bulb. Remove it from the packaging. Twist clockwise into the light socket until snug. Turn the light on. That's all it takes to get you ready to start saving energy with your new LED bulb.